Hello students, today we'll start a new chapter, chapter 13, surface areas and volumes. So you have already studied about surface areas and volumes in class 9. Okay, it is similar to that only. So before that you have to know some formulas, okay, of those areas and volumes of different solids, as you can see in the figure. Okay, so first of all let us start from cuboid. So as you can see in the figure, this is a cuboid. So how to find the surface area and volume? So this is the formula. Okay, total surface area of a cuboid is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So as you can see in this figure, you have length, breadth and height. Okay, and all the sides are different. Length, breadth and height all are different. Okay, in cuboid, for example, your book, it is a cuboid. Table, desk, duster, okay, all these are shape of cuboid. So for that and these two are the formulas, okay, to find surface area and volume. So volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Okay, next, cube, surface area is 6 into a square, because in a cube you have 6 surfaces, okay, and all the sides are same. That's why, see, area of a square is height square, right? So similarly here also area is a square. And why there is 6? Because in a cube we have 6 surfaces, so surface area is 6a square. Next is volume. Volume is a cube, and what is a is the side, okay, or edge of the cube, because in a cube all the sides are equal. That's why it is a cube. Like in cuboid you have length into breadth into height. Here all the sides are different, that's why it was length, breadth and height. But in cube all the sides are equal, that's why it is a cube. It is a into a into a, that is a cube. Next is cylinder. So as you can see, this is a cylinder. So the formula for curved surface area, okay, this part, this curved surface area, the formula is 2 pi rh. Okay, this r is the radius of the cylinder, okay, this part radius, and height, and this is the height of the cylinder. Okay, next is volume. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Next, cone. So curved surface area of cone is pi r l. So r is the radius, okay, this part is the radius, and this l is called slant height. See, this is the slant height of a cone, this one and this one. Okay, this is the vertical one is known as height, and these two, the slanting lines, they are known as slant height. Okay, now volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and we have a formula for slant height also. Okay, it is given by root over h square plus r square. That means height of the cone plus radius of the cone square. Okay, h square plus r square. Next, for sphere, this is a sphere. Sphere is a three-dimensional shape. Okay, for example, football, marble, all these are spherical shape. So surface area is 4 pi r square, where r is the radius of the sphere, and volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius of the sphere. And the last one is hemisphere. See, hemisphere means half of the sphere. Okay, so as you can see in the figure, this is the half part of the sphere. So surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Half of sphere, that is 4, so half of 4 is 2 pi r square. And then volume, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So these are the formulas that you have to memorize, okay, in order to do the exercises.